Hey everyone!
Thanks for tuning in to Cook with April on Thirsty Thursday. So today we are doing a delicious white chocolate pumpkin spice latte. So this is totally fall, so let's get started. So here's what you'll need. I like to add a little milk to my coffee, so this is a 1/4 cup of milk. All the ingredients, honestly, it's just you do how much you want because it's not like baking, you know, it's not gonna mess up if you don't have exact ingredients. This is pumpkin puree, this is cinnamon because it's totally fall and smells so good. And then coffee, I use coffee from my Nespresso and this is still hot. Pumpkin pie spice to add a little bit, and white chocolate chips to make this a white chocolate situation. And so let's get started. So first things first, let's add that coffee. Oh yeah, I already preheated this. It's nice and hot. And because it's already hot, what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt those white chocolate chips with a whisk. This is a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, or white chocolate chips. You can do less or more, or you could even just do white chocolate sauce, but I just couldn't find white chocolate sauce last minute, so I was like, the best thing is just to melt chocolate chips. Why not, right? So we're doing that. And at the same time, we're gonna add that milk, soy milk, almond milk, whichever milk you prefer, my friends. And all at the same time, we're adding that pumpkin puree. And then we're gonna do just a dash of pumpkin pie. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a pumpkin pie coffee. So, it's looking like it's completely melted, right? Just give it a good whisk. It's really fast made, you guys. I'm just gonna use that cinnamon and stir. Use that cinnamon and stir. Get that cinnamon flavor all up in there, you guys. Like that. Okay, it's ready. Let's pour it in a mug. And I didn't want to waste that cinnamon, so I left it in the mug, and I'm pouring that coffee right in there. Oh, yay, let's drink it. Let's get our taste tester. We have our taste tester here.
Yes, we do. Oh my gosh.
It's good. I tried it.
I'm a big fan of the prop, to be honest.
Yes, thanks. Home Goods. Right? It's like a...
So it definitely feels like a cross between a coffee and a pumpkin pie.
Yes,
That's how it tastes to me.
With white chocolate sauce, right? I love it. It's very fall.
Definitely can taste the cinnamon stick. Watch out, Starbucks.
Okay.
Seriously, they don't even have something like this.
On a budget, Starbucks on a budget, y'all. Just watch Cook with April. Share this video with your friends. Like, hey, have you ever wanted to try to make this?
It's really good.
It's easy,
yeah,
right?
It is, really.
You can brew your coffee. You can do a coffee pod like I did for my Nespresso, but it was easy. The only thing I would recommend if you want it to be even faster is get white chocolate sauce, but I just melted white chocolate chips, but other than that, it was easy.
Easy, and you know, the leaves are starting to fall on the ground outside. Like
yes.
It definitely feels like summer is transitioning to fall, so it's perfect timing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we are not coordinating. I'm over here looking like it's fall, and he's over here looking like it's still summer. I do have to admit though, I'm wearing shorts. I am wearing shorts. I'm acting like it's fall here in the Bay Area when it's
It's still hot. It's still hot here.
It is.
I don't know. The weather can't make up its mind.
It can't, but thank you friends so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share this recipe with your friends. It's so easy. Make it for your friends, make it for your mom, make it for anybody. Yeah, but definitely your mom or dad because they probably need coffee. Yeah. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.